Hello everyone. Most of the children suffer with frequent cold and cough attacks every alternate month or every month or every 2 months. One of the most important reason it could be adenoids. Like tonsils, tonsils are located in back of mouth. Adenoids behind the nose. We can see adenoids only through X-ray. Because of allergy or some other reason, adenoids get swollen. Because of swollen adenoids, children may experience few symptoms like snoring, opening mouth while breathing, they feel irritable, drooling of saliva, unable to sleep, they feel restless, sometimes associated with fever. So we have a very good solution in homeopathy. We have very good medicines like arsenical, Toja, Natramure, Calibike. But these medicines should be taken under guidance of homeopathic physician. These medicines help to reduce allergy and reduce the allergy size of adenoids. If anyone is having this problem, please do comment. Thank you for watching.